Hi, this is the evaluation of the order trading system activity for December the 10th, 2021. We had 3 trades on that day, 2 were buys, 1 was a short sell. First trade was DISCA. That's Discovery Incorporated, tripped at 12:06:27 p.m. at a price of $23.44. It was a buy. Closed the day at 23.29, down 1.23%, is down 1.04% after hours. And we got the full day here, so check. Total 6, so it did come up over here, 23.58, 23.40, 23.47, 27. Okay, so from here, from around 12:44, which is where it came up above its stripping price again, roughly. So around 12:44 to around 2, 3. So we got almost 3 hours of period where the stock was above its stripping price, which makes that a positive. Let's see what the indicators are showing. Volume basically jumping back and forth, so no concrete indication there. Obviously, the jump on tripping price period caused it to trip, obviously. MACD came up pretty much until early afternoon and stabilized, moved sideways a bit, dropped a little bit, moved sideways mostly, so averages came up, stabilized. DI, same thing, came up, and then actually moving negative for most of the afternoon after 1 o'clock. The boiling branch, same thing, came up, and then you see it steadily decline. So the stock technically ended the day moving negative a bit. Next trade is AAL. That's American Airlines Group Incorporated, tripped at 12:15:04 p.m. The price is $17.92. Was a buy. Closed the day at 18:01, down 0.72%, down 0.06%. Still above the tripping price, so it actually closed above its tripping price. And take a look at the indicators. Volume looks good. You can see a steady incline in volume, so volume certainly was moving up. MACD shot up during tripping period, came down a little bit, moved sideways. DI came up during tripping, basically moved sideways, a little bit of bouncing back and forth, but it was positive for most of the, well, it was positive for the whole afternoon technically. A couple of points where it was negative a bit, but mostly positive, and you see volume back came up sideways, moving a little bit positive in the afternoon period. The stock technically was positive for the day. Next trade is OSTK. Here in my mouth. That's Overstock.com Incorporated. Tripped at 1:42 p.m. The price is $72.96. It was a short sell. It closed the day at 73.22, down 5.98%, dropped 0.29%, still above its triple price. So let's see, 140. So tripped around here. Oh, yeah, I think. So you see 244 from like around 140 to 244. So talking over an hour and a half, it was positive in the sense that it was moving negative below its tripping price. And you see in the afternoon it recovered a little bit and it moved sideways, at least by just looking at the stock activity price. Let's check to see what the indicators are showing. Overview showed that it dropped and then recovered a little bit in the afternoon. MACD dropped and recovered, averages came up. Same thing, DI dropped, and you can see the afternoon recovered. Boiler that came up recovered. So stock moved down and then moved up. Standard B pattern. But we did have enough time in the afternoon or early late morning to make a profit on that one. So that's 100% for both possible and positive, since all three stocks were positive results. I'll leave it at that. Thank you.